25th one, write a Python program to count the occurrence of items in a given list using lambda. Okay, we want to count the occurrence of each item in a list here. Okay, each item in a list, we have to find the how many times the number has occurred in a list here. Suppose if you take 3 here, it occurred 4 times. If you take 4 in the list here, it occurs 2 times in a list. So we have to find like that in a dictionary. We have to save the result value in the dictionary here. Okay, so you can take this input here. Okay, we have taken and take empty dictionary. If you done dictionary exercises, it will be easy this one. Okay, take empty dictionary and repeat for loop for I in x. Okay, and means for I in x means it loops through each and individual element of this list here. Okay, so I for I in x and pass dict of I is equal to x dot count method. Okay, this count method returns number of occurrences of value. Okay, it returns count method returns number of occurrences of value. Okay, and stores in this key. Simple one. And just print dict, either simple print a dictionary, print dictionary. You know dictionary consists of keys and values here. Okay, so I need not explain again that all those x dot count or context you can take it. Sorry, I dot count here, we have to write it I dot count here. Okay, not x, because each each individual element we have checking. So let's execute now. Okay, int object here. Okay, so here key dict of I will be each key, means each number, and x dot count, it returns x dot count method is there I. Okay, so this count method returns each occurrence of these individual elements here. Okay, and stores in the key format here. Now execute it. So 3 4 4 to 5, so you can check it here. Okay, so you can use this count method if you want to know how many occurrences are there. You want to know how many occurrences are there for each individual item, each individual element in a list. You can use the count method here. Okay, in dictionary format, keys will be the individual elements, and values will be the number of repetition of that element in the list. Okay.